Welcome to the Explainer. So if you're a focused learner gearing up for your exams, you already know that preparation is literally everything. But today, we aren't just talking about staring at your textbooks. We are about to unlock the true power of one of the absolute most critical exam accommodations out there, the bilingual dictionary. If you've been granted the use of this tool, you're sitting on a massive advantage. But, only if you actually know how to wield it correctly. So get ready, because we're going to break down exactly how you can master this resource to showcase your true potential the second that clock starts ticking.
Okay, let's dive into our playbook for today. We'll start off with unlocking the exam language, walk through your 6 steps to success, cover the totally crucial do's and don'ts, give you some top tips for efficiency, and finally, look at the administrative reality of use it or lose it. Let's get you equipped. Starting with Section 1, Unlocking the Exam Language and its True Purpose. Now, you might be wondering, why exactly have I been given a bilingual dictionary in the first place? Well, think of your exam like a giant quest where you are the hero. You already hold all the knowledge. But because English isn't your first language, exam phrasing can honestly be tricky, super dense, or just weirdly worded. You know the subject perfectly well, right? Whether that's biology, history, or math, this dictionary is simply your compass. It helps you navigate the very specific language of the question so you can accurately show the examiner what you already know. It just levels the playing field for you. But there's a huge, stark contrast we need to establish here. A bilingual dictionary translates words to help you understand the language of the question. But notice this absolute golden rule. It is not there to answer it for you. It's a translator, not a cheat sheet. It clears up the prompt, but the actual answer, that comes 100% entirely from you. Moving right along to Section 2, 6 Steps to Success, which is basically your exam method. Once that clock starts ticking, you absolutely need a repeatable method. So here is your 6-step action plan. Action 1, read the question yourself first. Always give your brain a chance to figure it out. Action 2, if you hit a roadblock, open your dictionary to look up those unfamiliar words. Action 3, read the whole question again so you grasp the full context. Action 4, think. You are the one deciding what the answer is. Action 5, answer the question in English unless your specific exam instructions explicitly tell you otherwise. And Action 6, use it whenever you need it. You aren't forced to use it for every single question, just when you genuinely hit a barrier. All right, Section 3, do's and don'ts, or, as I like to call them, the rules of magic. We have to be a little firm here, because exam boards have extremely strict legal boundaries. Look at the can-dos. You have full permission to look up unfamiliar words, translate between languages, and basically work at your own pace throughout the whole exam. But there are hard limits. The dictionary cannot explain the meaning of an entire question. It can't give you hints or clues. And most importantly, listen to this. It absolutely cannot contain any subject notes, definitions, or handwritten notes tucked inside. If it does, you can't use it. Plain and simple, this tool is for words only. Next up, Section 4, top tips for efficiency, because we really want to save you some precious exam time. Exams are crazy high-pressure environments, and time is hands down your most valuable commodity. To keep you from endlessly flipping through pages, let's rattle off these game changers. First, try reading the question before you even grab the dictionary. Second, trust yourself. Only look up words you truly do not know. Don't double-check words you're already mostly sure about. Third, don't waste precious minutes searching for one single word. If it's taking forever, just move on. Fourth, always read the whole question again after checking a meaning so you can put all the pieces together. And finally, keep your focus on answering. Don't let the dictionary distract you from your main goal, which is actually writing down the answers. This brings us to Section 5, use it or lose it, which is the administrative reality of this whole process. Okay, I need to introduce a very necessary sense of urgency here. Your bilingual dictionary arrangement isn't just magically activated on exam day. It has to be what exam boards call your normal way of working. That means you need to be using it in lessons, in class assessments, in mock exams, and yes, your final exams. And this brilliantly illustrates why it has to become a daily habit. Your school literally needs an ongoing paper trail to prove to the exam board that you still genuinely need the accommodation. Literally, use it or lose it. I want to blast this warning loud and clear for you. If you just leave your dictionary at the bottom of your bag all year long and only yank it out for the final test, the school simply will not have the evidence required to keep providing it to you. You have to advocate for yourself by using the tool consistently. If you don't use it, you will lose it. It really is that simple. And finally, Section 6, Conclusion. You hold the knowledge.
Before you even step foot into that exam hall, remember, who is actually taking this test? You're the one who put in the late nights, the study hours, and all that hard work. So just run through this quick mental checklist. I know how to use my bilingual dictionary. I know it helps with words, not answers. I know I must write my answers in English. I know I can use it whenever I need it during the exam. And finally, I am ready to use it with absolute confidence. If you can check all those boxes, you are totally equipped to tackle this paper. So, the crucial point is really captured right here. The knowledge is yours. The dictionary simply helps you unlock it. The dictionary isn't the smart one. You are. It's literally just the key that fits into the lock of a tricky English sentence, letting your actual hard-earned knowledge swing that door wide open. Which leaves us with one final, super important question for you to think about. Now that you have the key and you have this complete playbook for how to use it efficiently and legally, what incredible knowledge are you going to unlock in your next exam? The tool is in your hands, the method is in your head, and the opportunity is waiting for you. Get out there, use your dictionary the right way, and show those examiners exactly what you're capable of. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll see you next time.